This Unreal Engine house pack is a completed and finished 3D scene made to use in Unreal Engine. It was created for study, and the project used as reference was the amazing R2 house by Studio Bloco Architecture. It's available in UE4 and UE5 versions. All assets, materials, textures and blueprints are free to use. Photorealistic materials, assets, Lods, animations, blueprints, tips and much more. UE4 project and UE5 project. The link to buy the pack is in the description below.